Hello guys, welcome to Online Web Tutor presented by Proof Sessions team. I am Sanjay. Now inside this video session guys, I am too much glad to inform you that Online Web Tutor has created one more course at Udemy platform. And this time actually we have created about the admin panel development using CodeIgniter Framework, in which step by step we have covered each section layout, functionality and the code to build fully functional admin panel. So if I back to Udemy platform, now this is the official website of Udemy. Now if I search for the course and let's say CodeIgniter, let's say admin panel development. Now if I press enter here, now inside this course listing, as we can see that here is step by step admin panel development, and this is basically used in CodeIgniter Framework. Inside this course, we have total lectures equal to 37 and the total estimated hours it will take around 11.5. So this is the course actually Online Web Tutor has created for you at Udemy platform. Now if I click on this course to get all the details of this course, now as you can see that inside this admin panel development, this is not a single admin panel. This is all about our inventory management system. Inside the whole course of admin panel development, we have made about the inventory management concept, where we had created products, brands, categories, orders, reports and several settings configuration inside this video course. If I scroll down, now inside this description, we will find all the details basically this course contains. So while going through all video sessions of this course, actually we will understand about the complete architecture to handle CodeIgniter Framework application, project workflow preparation, obviously because we are going to build a course and from scratch to the end line we are going to make a workflow, database management, everything we are going to learn inside this course. Now if I scroll down, this is for all the levels of developer like expert, intermediate or at the beginner level. So don't worry at all if you have no idea about CodeIgniter Framework, so just go through that or learn about it's only about MVC architecture, and the course available only about the CodeIgniter at our YouTube channel. So firstly get the idea, and after getting the idea you can enroll this course and increase or start rating to your profile. Now inside this course, basically we have divided into 4 sections like demonstration and introduction about the project and its plan. Inside this section, the first video is totally free. This is the preview part. If you click on this link, the first video will play and gives you all about the idea actually what we are going to learn inside this whole playlist or this course. Now inside the second module, we actually covered about the project setup as well as about the database schema and the architecture. In the next section, we had handled about the layouts as well as our login section. Inside the fourth section, which basically contains the major functionality of this inventory management system, where we had created about the layout, about the functionality and well-managed code. So after watching all these videos, inside all these video sessions, actually everything is detailed, explained. Now after watching all these video sessions, you are going to increase or start rating to your resume or your profile, so that you are going to build yourself as a standalone application developer. So if I open our YouTube channel, so let's say YouTube, Online Web Tutor. Now inside our YouTube community system, here we have the complete sessions of CodeIgniter. After watching those videos, actually you are going to learn about or you are going to understand about the MVC pattern of PHP framework CodeIgniter. After going through all these videos, completing all the video sessions, now if you enroll this course, then you are going to build a standalone application developer, so that if you got any application in future to work, then you will surely complete all the sessions. Apart from this step-by-step admin panel development, we have another courses created by Online Web Tutor. If I scroll down, something called complete data table tutorial with CodeIgniter Framework. This is also paid, which contains 13 lectures, and the approximated hours it will take around 3.5 hours, and rest these courses actually available at YouTube platform or at Udemy. These courses are free to enroll. So I strongly suggest you guys please enroll this course and learn carefully about each video sessions, because online web tutor always try to give you the best resource over YouTube or at Udemy platform. So thank you for watching and have a great day.